Good morning, students. Now check the worksheet answer. Okay, the first one. Multiplication. First sum. Kilometer, centimeter, 15, 75. Multiply 5. 5 paisa 25. 5 balance 2. 7 paisa 35. 37. 7 balance 3. 5 paisa 25. 25 plus 3 28. 8 remaining 2. 1 paisa 5. 5 plus 2 7. So the answer is 78 kilometer and 75 centimeter. 78 kilometer and 75 centimeter. Okay. Next, kilometer and meter. 35 500. Multiply 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 paisa 25. 5 and balance 2. 5 paisa 25. 25 plus 2 27. 7 2 5 3 are 15. So the answer is 157 kilometer 500 meter. Okay. The next sum. 37 meter. 37 meter 350 millimeter. Multiply 8. 8 zeros are 8. 8 zeros are how much? 0. 0 with multiply any number. Get the answer 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5 are 25. 5 balance 2. 5 5 are 25. 25 plus 2 27. 7 balance 2. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 2 7. 15 plus 2 7. The answer is 177 kilometer 500 meter. The next sum. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5 are 44. Okay, 8 5 are 40. 0 balance 4. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 4 28. Balance 2. 8 7 are 56. 56 plus 2 58. 8 balance 5. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 5 29. So 298 meter 800 millimeter. 298 meter 800 millimeter. Okay. The next sum. Second Roman divide. First sum. 750 meter 45 centimeter divided by 5. Meter centimeter 750 45 divided by 5. Now take only first number 7. So 7 be above 5. So 1 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 2. Next down the next number 25. 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. Next down number 0. Okay. Next down the next number. So put the 0. Okay. The same. The 4 is below 5. So now the next number 45. Now put also 0. Okay. How many 5s are 45? 9 5s are 45. So the answer is 150 meter 9 centimeter. 150 meter 9 centimeter. Now second sum. Meter 172 meter 45 centimeter divided by 5. Sorry, 172 meter 48 centimeter divided by 4. Meter centimeter 172 48. Fourth table. How many 4s are 17? Below 17. 4 4s are 16. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, next number 2. 3 4s are 12. 0. Next 1 4s are, next down the next number, 1 4s are 4, 4 minus 4 0. Next number 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 0. Okay, so the answer is 43 meter 12 centimeter, 43 meter 12 centimeter. Next, the next woman. Answer the following question. First sum. See the sum. A student needs 1 meter 25 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt. 1 meter 25 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt. What is the total length of the cloth needed to 22 students? So multiply 125 is meter and centimeter, multiply 22. 5 2s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, remaining 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 5 2s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 0, balance 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 2 5s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 2, 1 2s are 2. The answer is 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 2. So answer is 27 meter 50 centimeter. 27 meter 50 centimeter. The next second sum. If the total length of 4 pieces of cloth is 8 meter and 60 centimeter, what is the length of 1 pieces? So this sum divide 4 pieces, total length 8 meter 60 centimeter divided by 4. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 0. Next one 6, 1 4s are 4, 6 minus 4 2. Next 0, 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 2 meter 15 centimeter. The length of one piece 2 meter 15 centimeter. Okay, the worksheet over. Next, the next lesson time. Okay, next lesson time, because the measurements are completed. Measurements are completed. So the next lesson time. Twelve, 3, 9, sorry 6, 9, 1, 2, போலேனா எங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் தெரியல.
இது எந்த வாரம் போகிறது?
ஃபோன் வச்சு அந்த ஃபோன் வந்து தான் எங்கேயோ வாங்குது.
இது எந்த வாரம் போகிறது?
இந்த வரை ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு மிஸ். Already know the time. See the clock now. 11, 1, sorry 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. You know very well the wall clock. Now say the time. This is a small hand and this is big hand. Okay. The small hand shows time. Shows time. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay. Next, the big hand shows minutes. 40 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay. 2 o'clock, 15 minutes. Okay. Then another one big hand also here. This is seconds. This denotes. Now important one. 12, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 0, all clock. Thus already I told you the small hand shows the hours and the big hand shows the minutes. Okay, so now time 12, 15. Okay, this is a minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes, 50, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. The same. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Same. The 1 hour equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. I convert to hours to seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. See once again, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 5 up to 60 is called the 1 hour. Next, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Already told. Another one big hand, it shows the seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. Okay. Now take the page number 73. Draw the horse hand and write the name. Page number 73. Yesterday when you went to bed, okay, already given the 1 o'clock and dash also. Okay, my bedtime 9:30. What's your bedtime? The time you write the dash. Okay, 9:30. 9:30 p.m. is my bedtime. What's your bedtime? The time you write it. Okay. Next, see the second one. When will you get up in the morning? I am get up 6 o'clock. What's your time? The time right. Okay. Next, see third one. When will you go to school? My school time 8:30. 8:30. Okay. Okay, I go to the school 8:30 a.m. This is morning also, get up also a.m. Okay, what's your time? The time you write. Now see the 73, the same page number. See the clock and write the time. Already what clock is given. The one is the small hand. One shows the small hand of 1 o'clock, and then 5 shows the big hand. So answer is 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. The 5 shows the 25. So answer is 1 hour 25 minutes. Next, see the second one. The clock shows 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. Small hand and the big hand. 10, 10. Next, sharp 3 o'clock. So the answer is 3 o'clock. Next, the time is given. You draw the hand in your clock. Take your pencil. What time? 11:40. Where is the 11? 11 shows the small hand. Just horse. Next, where is the 40? Here. So draw the big hand. So now shows the time 11:40. Now 4:55. 4:55. Where is the 4? 4:55. 55. 4:55. Next 1:40. 1:40. Okay, this was the clock 1:40. Now take the page number next. Railway time. The time divided two types. One standard time, another one railway time. What is the standard time? What is the railway time? First see the standard time. Standard time means night 2 o'clock. It's 12 a.m. Midnight. Midnight 12 o'clock. It's called 12 a.m. After 1 a.m. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is p.m. The 11:59 a.m. after 12 p.m. After 12 to 9 2 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are a.m. 6, 7, 8, 9, the 12:59 p.m. Next, the next 12, same. Okay, the standard time 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. Morning, night, midnight, 12 o'clock to lunch time, 12 p.m. is always morning a.m. After 12 p.m. to night 11:59 p.m. Okay, so separate two types. 12 hours. This is a standard time. But railway time is 24 hours. Midnight 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock or 24 hours or 000. Okay, this is a 12 midnight 12 o'clock. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 11 a.m. After 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock after 1 o'clock. This is standard time. 1 o'clock is called 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This is after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3. Afternoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Night 2 o'clock. Okay. The standard type 12 hours. Railway time 24 hours. Okay. Now take the page number 74. We can write, see the table. Midnight 12 o'clock is 0000 hours or 24 hours. Okay. Next the 9 a.m. read 9 hours. Okay. Next noon 12 o'clock to 12 hours. 1 p.m. is called 13. 1 p.m. 1 p.m. is called the railway time 13 hours. Okay. Now see the railway time, the page number 74, 5.1. We are using 12 hours time generally. Okay, we are using 12 hours time generally to avoid confusion, because morning night 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock morning a.m. After 12 o'clock to night 12 o'clock p.m. Okay, this is avoid the confusion. We use railway time in railway station, television, airport, internet, etc. When we are going to railway station, we cannot see or hear announcement in AM or PM. No, okay, because railway uses 24 hours. Generally, railway times written in 4 digits. First 2 digits show the hour, because the railway time is 24 hours. This is here shows hours. This is minutes. Okay. First 2 digits shows the hour and the last 2 digits show the minutes. Next see the last line. While converting the 12 hours time to 24 hours time during PM, we should add 12 hours and keep the minutes same. Okay. How to convert standard to railway time? Add 12. Okay, these are the same. 12, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Afternoon 1 o'clock plus 12, 13 hours. 12 plus 2, 14 hours. So standard time we will add to 12 and get the railway time. Next page number 75. Conversion. Sorry, try this. The blue color box. Try this. Standard time and railway time. Now see this page number 75. Standard time and railway time. First one 3:30 a.m. Okay. AM all standard time. Next 4:15 p.m. is standard time. Next Write any one time, the standard time. 12:25 p.m. Next fourth one also dash. You write it. 9:40 a.m. Next fifth one already given. 12:25 p.m. Already I wrote it. So since 11:25. Okay. Next sixth one already given. 1:55 p.m. Okay. See 3, 4, 11, 9, 12, 1. This is 12 hours. So standard time. Now write the railway time. 3 hours. 3:30 hours is 3:30 a.m. Next step. You write any railway times. 16:25 hours. 16:25 hours means convert to the standard time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Added 12. So 4 plus 12, 16. So 4 p.m. 4 o'clock 45 minutes p.m. Okay. Already given 12:50. 12:50 means morning. Okay, midnight. Next 20:15. 20:15. 8, 9, 10, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So, and 8:15 p.m. Okay, this is railway time. This is standard time. Next, first standard time also 2 dash. Okay, you write any standard time. Next, the railway time 4 dashes is given. You write any 4 railway times. Okay. Next, see this box. 2:20 a.m. Okay, 2:20 a.m. already given. Midnight 2 hours 20 minutes. 20 a.m. or 2:20 a.m. Okay, 1, 2, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Afternoon 12 o'clock always a.m. Okay. So, next afternoon 2 hours 20 minutes you write a railway time 24 hours clock. Afternoon 12 o'clock 2 o'clock 14 hours 20 minutes. Next the so many is given. You see. Next try this, the blue color box. Take the page number 76. The first one, write the AM or PM. Ravi starts to school at 8:45. When all are going to, we are going to the school, AM or PM? AM. Okay. All are going to the school, AM, 8 AM or 9 AM, 8 to 9 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 8 AM to 9 AM. Okay, this is school time. So AM. Okay, write that as AM. Next is the second one. Ramya eats her lunch. Lunch is 1 o'clock. Already told 12 o'clock after PM. So the answer is PM. Next third one. Afrin sees the moon arch. Moon. Which time comes the moon? Night time. So PM. 8 PM. Fourth one, Kavi goes to bed at 9 o'clock. All of sleeping time PM. So answer is PM. Fourth one also PM. First one AM. Second one AM. Third one PM. See the bookmark. Fourth one PM. And last one, the sun rises. Which time sun rises? Morning time. So AM. Evening time always PM. Morning time is always AM. Now, take the page number 75. First one, write down your school timetable for the following. Take the first one, exercise 5. Take your rough paper and pencil and follow me. Exercise 5. The first one, A. Write down your school timetable for the following. First one, morning school break time to morning school ending time. Morning school 9 o'clock to 4:10. Which time the lunch time? 12:40 to 1:20. After 12:40 to 1:20. Next to 1:20 to 4:10. Okay, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock or 9:30. 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock to 12:40. Morning school time. Morning school time. 12:40 to 1:20 lunch time. 1:20 to 4:10 evening school time. Evening school time. Okay, now calculate the morning school time, school break time to. Which time is break time? 11 o'clock to 11:10. This is break time, morning break time. Morning break time. Morning school break time to morning school ending time. So this is morning school break time to morning end time. 11:10, 12:40 minus 11:10. Or morning break time 11 o'clock. Okay, so subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So morning break time to morning school ending time how many hours? 1 hour 40 hours. 1 hour 40 hours. Okay, write that as 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. The next question. Morning school working time. Morning school working time. This is 12:40 to 9 o'clock. Morning school working time. 12:40 minus 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock to 12:40 is the morning working time. So you subtract the 12:40 to 9 o'clock. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 12 minus 9, how much? 3. So morning school working time 3:40 hours. 3 hours 40 minutes. 3 hours 40 minutes. School working time 9 o'clock to 12:40. 12:40 minus 9, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 0, 12 minus 9, 3. So the answer is 3 hours 40 minutes. Next, see the third question. Afternoon school working time. Afternoon school working time 4:10 minus 1:20. 0 minus 0. See the 10. 10 minus 20 is not possible. So borrow the, this is hours, this is minutes. Borrow the 1 minutes. Here 1 minute equal to how many minutes? 1 hour is how many minutes? 60 minutes. So here 3. 60 plus 10. 70 minutes minus 20. 50. 3 minus 1. 2. So evening school working time 2 hours 50 minutes. 2 hours 50 minutes. 10 minus 10 minutes minus 20 minutes is not possible. So the borrow one number here half hours. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 plus 10 70 minutes. 70 minus 20 50. 50. So here 3 minus 1 2. So the answer is 2 hours 50 minutes. The evening school time. Working time. Afternoon working time. Next, afternoon lunch break time. Afternoon lunch break time. Afternoon lunch break time 12:40, 1:20 to 12:40. Between how much? 1:20, 12:40. It's not possible subtraction. So convert the railway time. 1:20 railway time which 13:20. 20 minus 40 is also not possible. So borrow the number here 12. Here 60 plus 20, 80 minus 40. So the lunch time 40 minutes. How many minutes? 40 minutes. Lunch time 40 minutes. Okay. The first one is over. See the match the following days. 12 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours is given. You match it. See carefully. 12 hours, 24 hours, 9:40 a.m., 3:20 p.m., 6:25 p.m., 11:40 p.m., 6:25 a.m., 23:40 hours, all of hours, 6:25, 15:20, 90:40, 80:25. Now match 9:40 a.m. all of hours, 9:40 hours. 3:20 p.m. 3:20 24 hours. 3:20 add 3 plus 12 15. So 50 20. Next 6:25 p.m. 6:25 6 plus 12 18. So 18 25. 11 plus 40 p.m. 23 plus 12 11 plus 12 23 40 hours. Next 6:25 a.m. 6:25 hours. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, dears. See you next class.